What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, we're gonna use this cute little sign, and we're just gonna finish this wreath real quick. Y'all, I'm gonna use these mounting squares and a little bit of DAP Rapid Fuse glue. All right, y'all, just a little bit of glue. Y'all, the more glue you put doesn't actually help your situation. If you put too much glue, it's gonna stay wet longer than it needs to, and that ain't gonna help you. So just a little dab of glue. If you don't believe me, put a little dab on your finger, press them together, and wait 10 seconds. All right. Y'all, if you use E6000, I highly recommend that you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, Walmart, and you get these little bitty clamps like this. They're just little baby clamps. Put that E6000 on there and then clamp them and let them wait about 24 hours to completely dry. Then remove your clamps, and those little pegs are never going to come off. I personally like to use the DAP super glue just because it only takes a few minutes to get it done. So on this sign, I'm thinking I want to do it like up here, kind of cattywampus, and then our giant bow right down here. All right. Let's get our pipe cleaners in here. Y'all, remember, whenever doing grapevine wreaths, I like to have my pipe cleaners folded in half. Y'all, I am in love with this sign. All right. Let's get our pipe cleaner through there. This grapevine is a little fun. All right, y'all, now I'm going to recommend that you put one corner and then the other corner. All right. Y'all, there we go. All right, just gonna get this tied off. Y'all, this tail is a little too long and it's covering up the in Christmas. So we're gonna just trim that down, give it a little haircut. All right, y'all, I grabbed just a bunch of little things that I had to kind of spruce this up a little bit. All right, y'all, we're going to get this stem in there. All right, let's get some coming out the top. Look how pretty that is, just like that. All right. Let's figure out where we want this. All right, let's get this larger piece down here towards the bottom. Y'all, I'm gonna get a few sprigs of, is it silk or plastic? Plastic. Y'all, okay, so this is supposed to have like a glitter look to it. So I want to make sure we have a little bit of bling. Y'all, and on this one, I'm not going to fill in the bow with anything. I'm going to fill in just the outside and leave the bow to be the star of the show, right? All right, a few more pieces of this. I think I have enough of that. The only other one, y'all, that I thought I might add is some of these little white berries that I got from Walmart for 97 cents last year. Y'all, I like little white berries because it kind of brings the white back from the sun. All right, y'all. Just real quick. Nice and fun.